Welcome everyone, and in this video today I'm going to show you how I organize my Goodnotes stickers inside the Goodnotes app. And what you're looking at right now is Goodnotes 4. I still feel like it works faster, it doesn't have as much of a lag, and there's no crashes. Goodnotes 5 is still doing a lot of crashing for me, so as of today when I'm recording this video, which is April 26 of 2019, I'm still using Goodnotes 4. I'm testing Goodnotes 5, and I have almost the same things in Goodnotes 5 as I do in 4. However, it's not behaving the same way as 4 is behaving, so that makes me a little leery, because don't forget, I've been using Goodnotes since it came out, and I have quite a bit of notes, and I never know if I'm going to have to go back 5 years sometimes to look at my notes, and I want to make sure that they live in a stable environment. So I just don't feel safe in Goodnotes 5 just yet. However, I'm using it. I have most of the things that I have in 4 in 5, but I don't do my permanent work in that one. So the way I keep my stickers is I actually created a category. Now if you're using 5, you'll just create a folder, but in Goodnotes 4 it's by categories. So let me just tap the categories and show you. So in this folder or category is named iPlanner, and then I've got subcategories 2015, 2016, 17, 18, 19, and then I also have lineup folders for the new planner lineups. So I keep those named with an L in front of it. I keep all my palettes in a category under iPlanner, and I keep all my stickers, and then of course there's a folder for products that I'm testing in 4 and in 5 as well. So that's how I have my categories, and then in 5 I have my folders named the exact same way. So it's basically the same navigation for me. Now I like to keep my stickers the way they come. They come on their own sheets, and of course it has the logo, my branding on it and everything, and they're vector files that were created for Goodnotes. They're not PNG files, they're not image files. The reason that I like to keep them the way they come in the package and in their own category or folder, depending on what version of Goodnotes you're using, is I can scroll through and I can get a really good idea of everything that's included in that sticker collection. So when I'm looking for a sticker, I just start out by scrolling. When I see something that I might want to use, I open that up. I'll zoom in really close, tap the lasso tool, and copy. And then I can go to my planner, tap and hold, and then paste. And I can resize this. If I want to, I can make it way smaller, or I can make it way bigger. And as usual, there's no blurry and no pixelation. Of course, I don't want it that big, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it and resize and put it where I want it. Something else I want to point out, on all the Goodnotes sticker collections, they are sized exactly to the iPlanner. You don't have to have the iPlanner to use these stickers, but you would need to resize them specifically to your planner. So let's say, for example, this is the sticker that you want to put on your page. Copy, go over to the planner, and paste. And that's all you need to do, because it's exactly the size of the iPlanner. If you're using a different planner that is a little smaller or bigger, or if you just want to resize, you'll just tap and hold, edit, and then you can make it as big or as small as you like. So every time a new collection comes out, I put it in here so that it's available to me while I'm planning. No matter where I am, I always have my iPad and I always have my sticker collection. So let me show you how I put the stickers into Goodnotes. There's several different ways that you can get them into Goodnotes. You can go to your account on Digitally Speaking and download from there and import straight to Goodnotes, or you can tap on the download link that comes in the email once you purchase one of the collections. But my favorite way to get my files, my Goodnotes stickers to Goodnotes on my iPad to Goodnotes, is to first put it in Dropbox. The reason that I always do that first is because if I download straight to Goodnotes from the email from my purchase or from the website, I may forget to save it on a cloud server. And if I forget to do that, and if anything were to happen to my iPad or the iCloud server or Goodnotes, I would lose all of my files. So I like to put the original file safe first. And once it's in Dropbox, this is how I go to the file on my iPad. So let's see, I think there's one sticker collection that I'm missing, and I think that one is Blossom. Yep, let me get that one, and that will be a good example for you to show you how I get my files to Goodnotes. All right, so I'm going to go to the file that it's stored in. So here it is in this folder. I'm going to tap this folder. I'm going to tap stickers. Now you'll have yours stored in another folder, I'm sure. Your folders probably won't twirl down as much as mine do. And so here I can see the Goodnotes zipped file. Since this is a .goodnotes file, you don't have to worry about unzipping it. It will go straight into Goodnotes. This is how Goodnotes files are saved. .goodnotes.zip. So you don't have to worry about unzipping. It will go straight into Goodnotes just like this. If it were a PDF, you would have to unzip it first. So I'll just tap this, and of course the files can't be previewed because not only is it zipped, but Dropbox can't read Goodnotes files. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on these three dots, scroll down to Export, and then I'm going to find Goodnotes 4. I'll tap this and say Copy to Goodnotes. However, if you're using 5, naturally you're going to copy to Goodnotes 5. And the difference between the two are the icons. You've got a squiggly line in 5, and you've got a straight line in 4. A black pen in 5, and a blue pen in 4. And like I said, I'm more comfortable with 4. Some of the features that are in 5, I'm still able to use, and I can copy and paste them over to 4 since I'm still using 4 pretty regularly. So it's exporting now to Goodnotes. It will open up Goodnotes. Now if you're in 5, it'll ask you what folder you want to put it in. Naturally, since I'm in 4, it's telling me to pick a category. And the category that I'm going to put it in is iPlanner stickers. And there you go, just as simple as that. I'll go ahead and copy one of these, go over to my planner, and paste it right into my planner. So depending on how you decorate, you can use these over and over and over again. You can never use them up. So I hope you picked up an extra tip in this video, and I hope it helps some of you if you're having trouble trying to get your files to Goodnotes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask either below or on the iPlanner Facebook group. And be sure to like this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that now, because then you'll be notified anytime I make a new video. Until next time, everyone, happy iPlanning!